We the YouTubers, we face a lot of challenges, and one of the challenges is the sound. And I was having a great trouble with that, but finally I bought me a Zoom 4HN Pro. And this thing looks like it's going to change my life. Why? Because, you can do a lot of stuff with this one. You can attach two microphones, or you can have an external microphone in the back. And also it has onboard two-directional microphone. So if you are recording a conversation, this can be great. They could be facing one this way and one that way. And then you can simply record with the touch of this button right here. What more you could ask? You can have the headphones. That means you can really monitor your own sound as you're recording. So what better way of doing it? Let me try this and I will make another short and share with you. Please subscribe.